Let's see how to use the InstaCuppa cold press slow juicer. For the citrus juicer, you need to first place the citrus juice bowl and then you need to move the strainer and lock the lid as shown. Secure the cone on top of the strainer and then place the juice jar. You are ready to use this juicer. Now take any citrus fruit, like here I've got an orange, keep it on the juicing cone and gently press to extract juice. This juicer is very easy to use and you can extract maximum juice out of the citrus fruits. The juicer moves at the right speed for you to easily and conveniently use it for juicing. Here's the anti-drip spout, which you can open once you are done juicing, or you can leave it open. You get 100% natural orange juice without any preservatives. Now remove the juicing cone, lid, juicing bowl as well as the shaft. To use the juice strainer, place the juicing bowl and then align the rectangle of the juice strainer and the juicing bowl. Now place the auger till it fits. Now you need to place the feeding chute and lock it. It's very important to lock, otherwise the juicer will not work. Open the feeding chute and add in your fruits or whatever juice you want to make. Here I'm making the ABC juice. Power on to start juicing. The dry pulp gets collected in the pulp jar and the juice gets collected inside the bowl. You can keep the tap open or open it once your juice is prepared. To make sorbet, let's switch the strainer. So remove the feeding chute, auger, juice strainer and place the sorbet attachment till it doesn't move. Now place the auger and then the feeding chute and ensure that you lock it. To make sorbet, you can add any frozen fruit. So here I'm adding frozen papaya. Power on and the sorbet will start coming out from the pulp outlet. You can collect it in a bowl and serve it right away. Super creamy and delicious.